I was gifted this product for an honest review. This thing is a multi-use device. It's not just an air compressor, it's also a jump starter, a power bank, and it has an emergency light built right in. I love how compact it is, which makes it easy to keep in the trunk without taking up much space. It delivers 150 psi capacity with twin cylinders. It can inflate a flat tire in just a matter of minutes, which is also a lifesaver if you get stranded. It's super easy to use. Just connect it to your tire, set the pressure, and it automatically shuts off when it reaches the correct PSI. No more guessing work. One feature that's really impressive to me is the 20,000 mAh battery. It's powerful enough to jumpstart most cars, which can really save you in emergencies. And as a bonus, you can also charge your devices with the Type-C charger. I've used it to charge my phone on the go, which is a nice added perk. There's also a built-in emergency light, which could come in handy if you're stuck at night or need extra visibility while inflating your tires. One of the downsides is that the compressor does get a little noisy during operation, but it is expected with most air pumps. Also, the jump starter is better suited for smaller vehicles, so if you drive a large truck, it might struggle. Recapping some of the pros, it's compact and portable, perfect for emergency use. Dual function as both a tire inflator and a jump starter. Has a built-in emergency light for nighttime use. Has a 20,000 mAh battery for charging devices or powering the jump starter.